In this video, I'll show you how to create forms in Connecteam. So the process is easy. All you need to do is just go and log in into your Connecteam account. Then on this list panel, make sure that you locate this operations. If you didn't find forms here, all you need to do is just click on add new and click on forms. If you already find it, just go and click on forms right away. If it's your first time here, you'll find get started. If it's not your first time, you'll find this forms right here as example, and you'll find this add new option. So click on add new, and here you can choose to start from scratch, use a template or create a file using AI powered tool. It's totally up to you. For me, I'm just going to create here a form, whatever it is. So let's just use a template. Here, as you can see, they have multiple templates for different stuff. So look for the template that you want. If you didn't find this, you can, as I said, create one from scratch on your own, and you can add whatever fields you want on the form. So as I said, for me, I'm just going to use a template form. For example, personal info updates, why not? And select this template. And here you'll get a lot of things that you'll be able, as example, to remove, and you'll be able to add fields, and you'll be able, as example, to do whatever you want. And here on the right, you should be able to preview how your form will look like. If you like it, you can save it as a template to use it for future, especially if you start from scratch. You can find here settings to edit any settings like enable commenting on entries or set the form as anonymous if you want to, enable users to download their form entries and allow users to edit their submissions if you want to. So you have these options to add as example in settings. So once you're done, click on save and the form should be created without any problems. Here you can assign some groups, assign some users if you want to, click on next, and you can publish it now or schedule publishes on a specific date if you want to. You can notify users via push notifications, show some feed, send a reminder if the user didn't view by, and you can even schedule the removal from the app if you want to be scheduled at some point, like the form, do you want it to be disappeared at some point? You can schedule it as well. Once you're done with these settings, click on next right here, and you should be ready to go. Click on confirm, and your form should be ready to go. You can start sharing it with other people and get the results that you want. If you want to create a new form, always go back to forms right here. You should find the form that you created. You can archive it, you can duplicate it, you can delete it, or create a new form and do whatever you want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.